This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the quality of the video on YouTube. So if you're watching it on your Android phone, you can reduce the quality to save yourself some bandwidth or internet. So let's just locate YouTube on my phone and then go to it. Now all you have to do is start up a video and there will be a setting option in the bottom right. So let's go to one of these videos now. So here's one right here on the top. And then wait for the ad to go away. So sometimes you'll have an ad and you can't adjust it quite yet. So let's go to skip. Now this ad is playing right now. The video is playing. If we look in the top right, we have this option for settings. Then we go down to the quality. So we have recommended, adjust to give you the best experience for your conditions. So we probably want to switch this over to data saver, lower picture quality, or go to do advanced, and we can do this ourselves. So we can drop it down to 144p. Now 144p might be nice if you're just wanting to listen to it. If you're trying to watch like a movie or something, it might be a little bit too gone, but actually this doesn't look too bad. So if we rotate the screen here, we can still tell what's going on pretty easily. So if we're trying to watch a movie or something though, maybe it's too low quality. But perfect if you're trying to save some data. So just go to the settings option, go to quality. You can go to advanced, but we can also go to data saver right here too. Just look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.